Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create coronavirus safety and quiz app in MIT App Inventor 2. There are going to be a set of two videos, one for designing and one for coding. Now guys, I am going to show you the demo of this app. Now click on coronavirus symptoms, it will tell you the symptoms of coronavirus. Click on preventions, it will tell you the preventions of coronavirus, and you can there is also a button to go to back home. Coronavirus vaccines, it will tell you the four main vaccines of coronavirus, and you can also play the coronavirus quiz. Click here. Now choose an answer from all these questions. It will tell you the result of the quiz. See, your result is 4. Click on OK. So now we are going to learn how to create this app. Now click on Start Your Project and type any project name you want. After doing this, it will automatically redirect you to the main screen. Now we need 5 vertical arrangements, so we will do it one by one. So go to put the vertical arrangement 1 on the main screen and set its height to fill parent and its width to fill parent. Set its background color to any color you want. After doing this, click on OK. Now set vertical arrangement 1 to align horizontal to center and align vertical to center. Then put 5 buttons on the main screen. Not 5, 4 buttons on the main screen. Now change the text of all the buttons to this. And lastly, coronavirus quiz. After doing this, put one label on the main screen here. Change this text to click below to play the coronavirus quiz. Change this text color to white. Now changed all the font sizes of all the buttons to 20. Change the text color of all the buttons to white. And lastly, their background color to different colors. You don't need to set it all the time. Just copy this and paste it here. Control V, and lastly this. Now set vertical arrangement 1 to visibility to false and take one more vertical arrangement to the main screen. Set height to fill parent, width to fill parent. Then copy paste the color of the vertical arrangement 1. Paste it to the vertical arrangement 2 background color. Now after doing this, set vertical arrangement dot align horizontal to center and align vertical to center and put one image on the main screen. Now it would be very long if we need to type all the symptoms of coronavirus. So instead of doing that, we will do this. Now search coronavirus symptoms. You will get all the symptoms. Then you need to take a screenshot of all the symptoms. Window Shift S. Now take this. After this, it will come, the link will come here. Click on it, and after doing this, save it. Okay, now go to any folder you want and save. Now go back to MIT App Inventor and click on picture and upload file and choose file. See, the screenshot is here. Click on it and then click on open and OK. See, the screenshot has come on the main screen. Now set height to fill parent and width to fill parent. See, it looks nice, right? Now we need to do the same thing for all the other vertical arrangements. Set vertical element to the visibility off and put them here. Now search coronavirus preventions. Take the screenshot of this. Take the screenshot of this. And save it. Then go back to MIT App Inventor 2 and set upload file, choose file. And here is the screenshot. Open and click on OK. Now set its height to fill parent and its width to 80%. It's looking not so good, so we will do it to 70 or 75. Now it's looking fine. It is not looking good in this, but in the main it will look good. Now after doing this, we will do for the third vertical, fourth vertical. Now we are going to do this for the fourth vertical arrangement. Set vertical arrangement 3.visibility to off and set vertical arrangement. Put the vertical arrangement 4 on the main screen. Set fill parent and this to fill parent. Change this to whatever color you want. Click on done. Then in this we don't need a screenshot because there are only 4 vaccines. And we forgot to do one thing. Go to vertical arrangement 2, click on visibility true and vertical arrangement for the visibility to false. We need to put one button here. Set it to home screen. First copy this to visibility off and this to visibility on. Control V, put it here, home screen, and then lastly will put it Control V here. But we need to put 4 labels. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Set vertical arrangement for the line horizontal to center, align vertical to center. Set all labels height to 20. Set this to white. white. Okay. Now change the text color. Change the text of all of this. First we have Pfizer, then Moderna, Covaxin, and lastly COVID Shield. Now after doing all of this, we will code for the last and the fifth vertical arrangement, the quiz. Now we are going to design the question screen. Set vertical arrangement 4 to visibility to offs, and take vertical arrangement 5 to the main screen. Set its height to fill parent, its width to fill parent, and then set the background color to any color you want. Done. Then take one horizontal arrangement on the main screen. Set vertical alignment 5 dot align horizontal to center and align vertical to center. Then set horizontal arrangement dot height to 10%, not 10, 15%, and its width to fill parent. Now copy and paste it for 3 more times. After doing this, take buttons 1, 2 and 3. Set button 8 dot text to reset. Set button 9 dot text to show score, and the last one to back home. Set all of the buttons shape to rounded, their text color to white, and their background color to whichever color. Done. After doing this, set horizontal arrangement or background color to blue, and blue. Bring labels, 4 labels, and put it on the 4 horizontal arrangement. Set all horizontal arrangement or align horizontal to center and align vertical to center. And center. Set all of these to text color to white. And then set all the text to coronavirus questions. First question is, which is not a vaccine? And question mark. Now bring 2 buttons on the main screen. One, set it to Pfizer, and the second button to Covalix. Now change the second label dot text to, what can we do to prevent COVID? Prevent COVID. Bring 2 buttons on the main screen again. Set this to wear mask or go out every day, or no mask. No mask. They will change the font size to little because it is not fitting. So I'll do it to 10. See, now it gets fitting and we can even see the question. Now the third question, to which of the following are COVID symptoms? Which symptoms? And question mark. Two more buttons. Cough or energy. Now set the last question to one of the four main vaccines are. One of the main vaccines are Vaccines are two more buttons. Now the question is Moderna and this one too, Hatter. Now in the next video we will learn how to code for this app. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video and be safe and have a nice day. Bye.